एक बड़ी खबर इस वक्त विपक्ष की संयुक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है। बेंगलुरु में विपक्ष के नेता इकट्ठा हुआ, क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं वो सुनते हैं।
We will decide shortly and we are going to meet again in Maharashtra, Mumbai. There we will discuss the names of the coordinators and 11-member name will be announced there. And the date will also be announced shortly for Mumbai, this meeting. Fourthly, this one secretariat will be set up for campaign management and other committees on a specific issue will be set up in mostly in Delhi, because Delhi is a capital place and it will be convenient for everybody. Fifth is a joint statement after today's meeting was approved, and this is being circulated, just I told earlier, and our friends will circulate to you. Sixth is a next meeting will be held in Bombay, I told, and really I am thankful to all the leaders, those who have come from various parties, here 26 parties. They gave very good suggestions, and particularly today's situation that the BJP government wants to destroy the democracy in this country, and also they want to destroy the constitution. They are using the autonomous bodies like CBI and ED, vigilance, all such institutions they are using against opposition party leaders and their workers. Therefore, there is a grave situation. To save this situation, we have come together, and country is important for us. Though we have got some differences in each state politically, but that is, we have kept that behind, not front. The front is only to how to save the country and people of this country. That is the issue before us, and that our leaders have shown. We should be together in the interest of the country, and they gave many suggestions, and we have accepted, and we will continue to follow it. Another thing is, earlier, first we met in Patna. There nearly 16 parties were there. Now 26 parties have joined, because some people did not come there, and many of the people came to Bangalore, and today 26 people, the parties have joined. After seeing everything, now Modi ji is calling NDA meeting with 30 parties. I don't know where 30 parties are there, whether they are registered parties in Election Commission, or whether I have not heard, because I am also in the Parliament, in the Rajya Sabha, here also, I have not heard so many parties in India, and that too 30 parties with. They are also holding meeting. And earlier they never cared even their own alliance. They never used to talk even them. Many people left, but now one by one he is calling, and they are meeting, and their party president is also going each state, and in one party several divisions were there. बहुत से टुकड़े हो गए थे, वो पूरे टुकड़ों को जोड़ने का काम मोदी जी अब कर रहे हैं. He is doing it now. So it means that he is now afraid of opposition parties. Otherwise, there was no necessity for him. He never bothered. This is one thing. And secondly, our people gathered here, they're not for to become something. They want to save democracy and constitution and to fight against the unemployment, inflation. So many issues are there. So all those issues in the interest of country we'll take and we'll fight. Now, our aim will be to take important issues one by one and we'll highlight, we'll move throughout the states, entire country with all these issues and also highlighting the failure of the government. Therefore, I don't want to say much. This is our aim, and when some proposal came for our keeping the name and other things, I am happy everybody, Rahul ji, Mamata Banerjee, and everybody, those who are sitting here, they all agreed. This is the first achievement of our alliance agreeing for the name. And friends, I don't want to take much of your times. Today we are facing many issues, including media also, because all media are captured